I hit 135.
All right.
You hit 145.
So
148. I'm taking that amp out.
this is what we had in here. Was this little dude here, and so
You want in here?
no. And whole thing is running off of this power wire, which is 8 gauge aluminum CCA. It runs to the fuse, and then the fuse ran following this wire over to this connection, which goes down to the battery, which is located somewhere underneath the damn car. There's an 8 gauge copper wire over here. It's not ideal, but so I happen to have some CCA alt gauge. At least it's alt gauge, and we're going to run this. We're going to pull this through here and replace this one with at least some alt gauge aluminum. I'm working on that right now. It's going to go pulling out through here and back in this area back here, and we're going to fuse that. And yeah, we got a lot of this stuff to do. All right, so what we're going to do is tape this wire to the old wire, and then use that one as a fish to pull this one through.
Got it? I felt it go through.
Huh?
You got it?
Yeah, he's got it's in there.
All right, keep pulling.
Sweet. All right, that's took care of. This will be our power wire running in. Now, this little dude here is like a 4 gauge OFC. It's probably big enough considering we're running that CCA wire back there, but at least it's not an 8 gauge. it's not an 8 gauge CCA. All right, so had a change of plans. That alt gauge wire would not fit in that fuse, so finally found on my old school A&L fuse holders, got him a fuse, and we're putting the lug. He's putting the lug on that wire, and we got another one. We're going to mount the new amp right about there. So we got to get a ground done, and he's got to grunt some more.
Do you need some arms for that?
This is his car, and you see who's doing the work.
You got I need a shrink wrap.
Shrink wrap on the hood or on the motor. Just pull it out and cut you a piece off, and you know how that works.
You know I got shrink wrap on that one, right?
Yeah, that's the last piece that'll need a piece of shrink wrap on it. But yeah, we got the thing run right there, and we're going to do the thing, and we're going to put that down, and we're going to put the trim panel back on, and then that piece is going to go on top of the trim panel.
That's why I can't have it.
It'll make sense here in a minute. So the original ground, this is one of those situations that we've seen before. You guys, once I find it, son of a bitch, yeah, it's right there by that gray wire. You guys can see. What the hell are you doing? Get up in there and look. It's one of them situations. So we're gonna ground it on the bolt back here.
I need to get my grinder blade.
So what we're doing is we're using this bolt and we're going to grind this down to metal. Be nice and clean. That's going to be our ground. I've used these a lot. They work real good. That goes right down to the frame. That's what literally all of these bolts connect to the frame. Good stuff. Got that down to metal. Good and solid. Should work real good. That is you can't tell it in the camera, but that's all metal besides the black. Should be fine. See if that'll fit.
Other side.
Yeah, go ahead and dial up the other side a little bit. We want that one to fit. If it won't fit, then we got to go one step bigger.
Oh, we got it.
We're gonna go right in there.
I might have got a too long wire.
There ain't no such thing as too long a wire. Too short a wire, now that's a different story.
Yeah.
I think we're looking pretty good though. All right. Got the amp down. Still got to situate wires a little bit, but we got room for that. And Chris is putting in the fuse box over there. It's already got one fuse in the front connecting to the battery. And this is one back here by the amplifier. Gets us all the way in. Good times all around.
Do whatever you want to do with this.
Fuse mounted right there.
You don't need this. You don't need this little connector.
You got some wire down there rolled up too.
We're going to screw this down, and then we're going to zip tie up the wires.
Yeah.
Things will be getting neat here in a second. All right, we got her stuck in back here. We still got to turn it. Got adjustments. We're going to get ready to start doing that. Well, for some reason, the sundown wouldn't play. It came on, lit up, but it would not play. We was getting sound out of it, but no sound. Like maybe the RCA connection was bad or something. I'm not really sure. Because it was when you flip the switch on it would pop. The speaker would pop, but but it wouldn't make any sound going through it. And then we put this Hyanka amp in here off my board in the house, and it works fine. So we're gonna rock it in this car. It's gonna be rocking the 1500 watt Hyanka. So
We cranked it all the way up too, and it didn't go into pretend.
it's good stuff. Yeah, these are absolute beast.
I like your ceiling.
Huh?
I like your ceiling.
Thank you. It's got that sweet furry feeling.
Yeah.
They're loud.
I bet you they slap louder than those.
Oh yeah, they're louder. It's this thing does a 155 plus now,
Oh yeah.
so it's loud.